In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Udemy app on your laptop. Let's get started right from your desktop. First, open any web browser you're comfortable with, like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. In the address bar at the top, type Udemy and hit Enter. You should see Udemy's official website appear near the top of the results. Click on the official Udemy link to go to their homepage. Once the Udemy website loads, take a moment to make sure you're on the correct site. You should see the familiar Udemy logo and options like browsing courses, signing in, or signing up. This confirms you're in the right place and not on a fake or unrelated site. Now, depending on your laptop and operating system, there are two main ways to get the Udemy app experience: using the web version directly from your browser, or installing the Udemy app through your system's app store if it's available. If you're on a Windows laptop, look for the Microsoft Store on your taskbar or search for it from your Start menu. Open the Microsoft Store and, in the search box, type Udemy. When the Udemy app appears in the results, click on it. On the app page, select the Install button. The download and installation might take a minute or two, depending on your internet speed. Once it's done, you can open Udemy straight from the Start menu or pin it to your taskbar for quick access. If you're using a Chromebook, you can usually install Android apps from the Google Play Store. Open the Play Store, search for Udemy, then select the Udemy app from the results and click Install. After it finishes installing, you'll find the app in your app launcher, just like on an Android phone or tablet. If you're on a Mac or using a system where a dedicated Udemy app isn't available, you can still use Udemy very much like an app. With the Udemy website open in your browser, you can create a shortcut. On most browsers, you can go to the menu, look for options like Save to Desktop or Create Shortcut, and add Udemy to your desktop or dock. This lets you open it quickly with a single click whenever you want to continue your courses. Once the app or shortcut is ready, open Udemy, sign in with your account, and you're all set to browse, purchase, and watch courses directly from your laptop.